因为有你。因为有他。因为有你们。一个远征，一个家。
Milestone. In 1993, the founders, Louis and Charles, founded Shenzhen Launch Tech Company Limited in Shenzhen. The English trademark of launch indicates a mission. Promotion, expedition, and launch also reflects the company's founders' value orientation and implies the enterprising and innovative spirits of launch people. In 1994, Launch introduced China's first auto inspection equipment, Electric Eye. In 1998, Launch was certified by Shenzhen Science and Technology Bureau as a Shenzhen high-tech enterprise. In 1999, Launch introduced the engine analyzer and four-wheel aligner, becoming the key promotion and demonstration enterprise in the National Scientific and Technological Achievements Promotion Demonstration Base. In 2002, X431 came out and quickly became a world-class brand. Launch successfully landed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange market and issued H shares. Stock code is 8196. In 2003, Launch successfully implemented the first additional issue of H shares. In 2004, the world's largest single auto lift manufacturing base was officially put into production in Shanghai. In 2006, Launch successfully implemented the second additional issues of H shares and introduced the International Finance Corporation, IFC, a member of the World Bank Group, an investment organization. On August 31, 2006, Shenzhen Launch Industrial Park was completed. In 2007, Launch successfully implemented the third additional issue of H shares and introduced the world-renowned investment organization Templeton. Launch entered the auto owners market. Launch's Integrated Auto Performance Detection Key Technical Research Series product development and industrialization won the second prize of National Science and Technology Progress Award. On March 28, 2011, Launch successfully listed in main board of Hong Kong Stock Exchange Company. The new stock code is 2488. In 2012, Launch introduced chips with proprietary intellectual property rights. In 2013, Launch entered car networking era. In 2014, Launch is a global pioneer, obtaining auto real-time remote diagnostic technology with proprietary intellectual property rights. In 2015, Launch successfully implemented the fourth additional issue of H shares and introduced domestic superior capital investors. In 2016, Auto Cloud Diagnosis came out. On March 26, 2017, artificial intelligence took the lead in the auto aftermarket. Strength. Launch has always given top priority to technology innovation since it was founded. Launch invests huge capital on R&D every year, has built up a global R&D system, and has created R&D bases in Shenzhen, Shanghai, Beijing, Xi'an, and the United States, Britain, Germany, Japan, Korea, Latin America, Malaysia, Australia, with a high-quality team of more than 800 people. Launch insists on the product development and innovation concept that is guided by customer needs. Launch establishes an R&D system guided by the International Advanced Integrated Product Development Process, IPD, and continuously carries out process innovation and management optimization. Launch won lots of awards, such as the second prize of National Science and Technology Progress Award, glorious 30-year China Auto Technology Innovation Outstanding Enterprise, and 2016 North American Automotive Diagnostics Aftermarket Customer Value Leadership Award. At the same time, by the end of 2016, Launch has obtained 259 patents globally, including 97 patents for inventions, 119 patents for utility models, and 43 appearance patents. At present, Launch's products can cover hundreds of car brands in the world, almost reaching 95% car model coverage in the market. The key factor for superior products to realize value conversion is channel. At present, Launch sets 8 branches in domestic market, more than 60 offices, hundreds of dealers and authorized service points. In overseas markets, Launch sets several branches in overseas, 6 offices, and more than 100 dealers, establishing sales network with Launch Spirit. Launch also holds the dealer conference and training, participating in all kinds of industry exhibitions each year, thereby improving the market share of Launch products, providing timely after-sales service, and improving customer satisfaction. Launch always believes that professional people do professional things and seeks win-win relationship through cooperation. Launch achieves strategic cooperation with well-known enterprises. Launch makes full use of its own technical advantages and data accumulation to help large projects, such as vehicle data acquisition, the G20 2016 Summit, entire ecosystem driving Windows supervision mode of UCAR Incorporated, and Shenzhen Public Transportation Project. By the end of 2016, Launch has sold more than 2,600,000 diagnostic devices with domestic market share of 80%, international market share of around 50%. The total number of diagnostic software upgrades reaches about 680 million, and the total number of uploaded auto fault diagnostic reports reaches about 100 million. The data shows that Launch has been recognized by more and more users. The Launch brand value is dramatically growing, and Launch is striving to become a world top-class enterprise with international competitiveness. Philosophy. Innovation as the soul, quality as the guiding principle. Efficiency first, people-oriented is Launch's enterprise culture essence. It is universally acknowledged that Launch regards the quality as life. Launch has passed the strict quality certification of each country, ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, QS 9000 TÜV Rheinland Quality System Certification, TS 16949 TÜV Quality System Certification, American BACL Certification, etc. Launch has also been awarded the 3.15 Quality Non-Compliant, Service Non-Compliant Integrity Enterprise by the China Technical Supervision and Intelligence Association. For example, AutoLift, designed by Launch, after test by lifting up and down for 22,000 times for half a year, has successfully passed the European CE certification and ETL standard test. Its quality and safety have reached the international advanced level. Launch regards talent as the source of development, respects and develops every talented employee. Launch created the Newton Club and provides welfares for Launch employees. Launch provides a variety of learning opportunities, internal and external training for employees each year. In addition, Launch provides coffee shop and fitness areas for employees. Up until 2016, more than 20% of the employees have been working in Launch for over 10 years. Achievement. China's earliest auto diagnostic equipment R&D enterprise. The first China enterprise to introduce the auto aftermarket concept. X431 is the first global equipment with operating system and platform. The first private enterprise of Guangdong Province who issued shares in Hong Kong. China's first 3D four-wheel aligner. Largest single auto lift manufacturing base in the world. China's first engine analyzer. The first global integrated auto diagnostic tool, Golo Technician Box. The first global artificial intelligence inspection terminal, X431 AIT. The first global auto diagnostic data application platform. Mission. Launch has a lofty goal to establish a world-class brand in the global auto technology field and become a top-class multinational company. Launch is conducting an active exploration and practice by taking the aim, becoming a leading global auto after-service equipment provider, become the world's car networking core enterprise for development direction, and taking the aim to become the world's car networking big data based on VIN service provider as the specific goal development strategy. In future years, based on MIDI auto diagnostic chip technology with proprietary intellectual property rights, Launch will continuously innovate to miniaturize various diagnostic devices, realize internet-enabled, implement full device networking, and automatically upload diagnosis reports to the cloud server. Launch will greatly promote cloud diagnosis application to provide a more scientific method for auto diagnosis. So as to gradually drive Launch to shift from equipment provider to service provider and achieve diagnosis SaaS cloud service, depending on service and business mode innovation. In the future, Launch will adopt a flexible cooperation way to realize data share and data exchange with various industries, extend or supply upstream and downstream data in the eco-chain in order to make accumulated auto big data more and more precise and abundant. Launch connects partners through diagnostic technology and connects the industrial chain through big data. Combined with different industry application scenarios, mine and convert data value, connect everything through big data, and look to the future.